Amber with Atlas Services here. We've been focusing on improving cash flow, but with the tax season around the corner, I thought we would shift gears to help you get your financial records in order. In this video, we'll discuss our 72-hour financial rescue plan so you can get prepared. Tax season is closing in, and your financial organization is your business's lifeline. It's important to start getting your records together today so you're not stressing at the time of filing. Here at Atlas Services, we partner in creating a bulletproof record-keeping system, so not only do you have up-to-date financial statements, but your records are ready for tax filing at any moment in time. With not having your records in order, it could be a ticking time bomb. There could be potential loss of missed deductions, increased risk of costly audits, weeks of unnecessary stress, and potential penalties, as well as the potential cost of work needed to catch up and clean up your bookkeeping and accounting records. Having your records disorganized throughout the year and just getting them together at tax season can be a ticking time bomb. This could mean potential loss in missed deductions, which could be tens of thousands of dollars. In the case you're audited, it could increase the cost of that audit as you'll have to find these records anyway. Also, having disorganized records can cause weeks of unnecessary stress and potential penalties with late filings. In addition to all of that, it could also cost more for your tax returns to be filed, potentially needing to catch up or clean up of bookkeeping, accounting records, which could cause your CPA the necessity to file an amended tax return, are all additional costs that can be avoided. Your financial health depends on strategic and immediate action. Here's a breakdown of our 72-hour financial rescue plan. Day one will be spent gathering a lot of information. You'll want to gather all of your financial records for the prior year. That is bank statements, credit card statements, invoices, expense receipts, any sort of receipt or invoice that you have documentation for any transaction that is cleared on your bank or credit card account. You'll want to start creating digital and physical copies of these, as well as separating any business from personal expenses. And I would highly recommend start scanning to digitize these documents, as that will make them easier to search in the future. On day two, you'll want to focus on your digital systemization. On day one, we worked on finding all the documents and scanning them. Day two, we're going to finish any scanning that was left over. We're going to create cloud backups of any financial records. You'll want to start recording these transactions within your accounting system. As you're starting to create your folders and filing of each of these documents, it's vital to have a consistent naming convention. I recommend putting the year and then the month number and then the expense type, amount, invoice name, those details. By labeling it with the year and the month number, and for any of them, January through September that are 1 through 9, I highly recommend putting a 0 in front. That way it ensures that your January filings will be before your December. On the third and final day of your 72-hour plan, you're going to want to spend some time verifying and doing some preliminary analysis of your data. So you'll want to cross-reference your digital files with the original documents, identify anything that's incomplete or missing that needs to be rescanned. You'll want to create a comprehensive expense spreadsheet and prepare a summary of potential deduction categories. All of this can feel extremely overwhelming. If it does, let me know. We are here to help. Our services include custom organizational system design, training on efficient document management, discussing strategic process development, as well as guidance to create a sustainable financial tracking in the future. Remember, we prepare your records and your tax professional handles the filing. If you can invest 72 hours in getting organized, you can transform your financial chaos and stress into some peace that comes with being prepared. Also, by doing this, you will find that you'll have a clearer financial picture. You'll reduce your stress when it comes to tax preparation season. You can potentially discover missed deductions that you wouldn't have seen otherwise, and you can develop robust systems for future financial management. Plus, you can stop losing money due to organization. Your financial future cannot wait. Every moment of delay costs you money. Reach out if you're interested in our free 72-hour financial records rescue plan with a complete breakdown on what information to gather and how to organize it so you're always ready for tax season. Take 3 days now to turn financial chaos into strategic success. Thank you.